7. Visibility on restricted sky conditions. Ceiling 7,000 broken. 8,500 overcast. Temperature 18, dew point 12. Altimeter is 2988. RNAV runway 16 approach in use. Advise on initial contact. You have information Delta. Renton Tower, information Delta, time 185. SS89 Mike, runway 16, clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go, runway 165689 Mike.
Winds 180, 10, gust 16. Force here, it's our read back correct, advisory ready for taxi.
Camp straight in for 3-4, we got Kenmore in sight. Variety Harbor.
Free sound, 386, turn left base, number 2167.
I could see how it was broken.